Hello and welcome back to this another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll talk about wire parameters in 3ds Max. So we'll just start with a box. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to connect two different objects all together. Um, Not all together with like the other one. So I'll just right click on the object and we have option of wire parameters on it. So we'll just click this one, and there are two sub options, which is transform, which sort of helps you to connect the positions of the boxes with the other one. So and the other option is object, which helps you connect the length, width, and heights of the even the segments of the boxes to the of the object with the other object. So we'll just start with object length or maybe height. So we'll just connect the height of the object, and we'll have a sort of um, extension which asks us which object do you want to connect it with. So I'll just select the other one, and we'll do the same. We'll do the object and height. So this window opens up, and we just have options of connecting the base box with the connecting box, or the connecting box with the base box, but we'll connect it two ways. So I'll just connect and enter. So as you can see, both the heights are same. So if I modify the height of this one, so the other objects will change the height as well. So I can also put the ratio in it. For example, if I do one into 1.5 and update, so it will be 1.5 times the height of the base object. So oh, so if I make the height, you can see the height varies in the multiples. So I can also add, for example, 3, enter, update. So it's like the height is 3 times the height of the base map. If I add height, which is 3, enter. So it's slightly. So you can see here that the height is slightly more compared to the base box. So I'll just add 30, enter. Yeah, so it's so the height difference will be same if we add something. So it's like if I go like this, the height's gonna be the same. So cool. And again, there's one thing which is, I'll just connect this. We can connect the by the same thing, we can connect the positions of the box. For example, if I'm connecting the X position of this box with this box, so again, position, X position, two ways connect. So as you can see, the X axis of both the boxes will be the same. So I'll just quickly make it clear. So if I change this or move this, so this box will move along with it. So if I press control, if I press into 3 and update, so it will be like 3 times the away from this box. So it's like, So it's